Hi Lisa, my name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be competing with, 20, 30 other agents in your area all paying Muco bucks for the same leads. So to get started today, this video is going to be talking about a few things: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be citations. But I want to point out that I did find your Facebook page here, and I do see that you have these videos, but it doesn't say anywhere that you're a realtor. So I would highly suggest after your name putting a hyphen and then realtor, or down here somewhere, or putting a link to your website, or in your about section, having some info. But we don't get anything. So we can tell you're a realtor based on your YouTube videos, but it's kind of hard to see. I see that you're from Keller Williams, Kansas City North, but I don't know if you're a broker, if you're just a realtor. I know I saw you had a team, but I would just try and clarify a little bit more on your Facebook page as to what you are in business for. So in the intro, realtor at Keller Williams North, or your name, Lisa Long-Sapenaro, with a realtor afterwards. I think that's going to do some good for you right there. But moving forward, something we're going to talk about is called citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce, all of that. So those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Kansas City Realtors. We got Better Homes, we got Kansas City Realty Services, and we have Chartwell Realty, okay? So again, I'm not sure if you are the broker, if you own Keller Williams North, or if you just have a team under Keller Williams North. That's what I mean with just by clarifying. But so I think that it doesn't look like Kansas City North Keller Williams is in this list right here on the first page. So definitely some room to grow. But again, there is a Keller Williams Kansas City Realty. I don't see the North though. So point is that if you're just an agent who has agents under you, if you're a team lead, or if you are the broker, I would highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. So like I said, I'm not sure your exact situation, but I do have Reese Nichols, Kansas City North. This is a realtor, and she has a Google My Business page. So this is the main thing I want to get out there. This is what one would look like. I would highly suggest getting one. We recommend 25 reviews minimum, so Reese only has 4. So obviously 5 would be better than her 4, but we do recommend 25 minimum. And then photos. So as you can see, Reese has 1 photo, and this is the drive-by photo that is worthless. And it's probably not even in the right location, doesn't look like. So the thing to keep in mind is that you're going to want to have 10 photos in your Google My Business page, and then you're going to want all your photos saved as buyer intent keywords. So very important. 10 photos, 25 reviews, and you'll have a completed profile. Get yourself a bunch of citations, and you will be on your way to being in the top 3 position for the Kansas City Realtors market. So I do have your website pulled up here. The next thing we're going to talk about is content. So content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. The more content you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website, especially in real estate websites. It's the photos and how the photos are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing you want to keep in mind is that how you save your photos matters. So on the back end, every photo on your website has a file name. It's saved as something. Well, a lot of times when we upload those photos, they're saved as just random numbers and letters. Well, that's no good. So you're going to want to make sure, just think about it. Keep in mind, how you save your photos is read by Google and search engines. So it would make sense to have valuable content in your photos, especially in real estate where you have hundreds of photos, so that it can help bring traffic to your website, and it can help Google crawl your website and bring you up to the top page, front page. So that's content. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found. And it looks like you have a Keller Williams website. So again, I'm not sure if you're the broker or what's going on, but regardless, the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. Again, I'm not sure how much you can actually change this website given the fact that it is a Keller Williams website. So I would suggest, depending on how much you can tweak this website, I would suggest rebuilding your own. And it's actually relatively inexpensive, and you can do it yourself if you have enough time. But you're going to want to get some backlinks. And so as you can see here, based on my data, you're not ranking for any keywords, and we don't have any data on your backlinks and referring domains. And your URL rating is a 12, and that's a 12 out of 100. So that is extremely low, which is not surprising given the fact that you don't have any backlink data. But you're going to want to make sure that you get your backlinks from relevant sites that aren't spammy. So do your homework and get yourself some valuable backlinks that are going to help rank your page, your website, and make you more visible on the internet and bring in those leads. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.